Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thanks for joining my channel, Cloud and Coffee with Navneet. In this video, we are going to learn about how you can able to use InvokeModel API within the Bedrock. So let's get started. So this is where I will be using a lab called building with Amazon Bedrock, and I will be using the code from the same lab, and I will be putting that in a comment. So if you're looking to follow along, you can easily able to use it. So in order for us to do that, let me create a environment. I'm going to call it Bedrock API .py. So let's save it. This is there. So first thing I will be looking to go and do is we're looking to make looking to import a couple of functions. We will be importing the JSON, and we are looking to import the Boto3. Once done, we will be creating that Bedrock client session. So in order for me to create a Bedrock client session, I will be using the Bedrock that we are having the session.client, and then we are providing the Bedrock runtime, and then we help us to create a runtime environment for the Bedrock, right? Thereafter, we need to go and invoke the model. So if you watch my first video, we have enabled a bunch of models. In this case, I will be using this Amazon Titan text express v1 model. So you can put any other model here as well. I will be looking to learn what the prompt is. Hey, this is the prompt. Was the largest city within the New Hampshire? I wanted to do that, and I wanted to provide a body. So in a body, we will be looking to provide the input, which is input text, which is our prompt. We're also looking to provide, we wanted to do this text generation configuration, like this is the hyperparameter we are looking to do. So we are having this temperature 0. So when we having the temperature 0, as we have learned, it reduced the randomness significantly. Here 0, it's like I ask us to provide direct answer instead of kind of making up. And then we are having the top p, and then we are having this max token, or how much token I'm looking to use for this this one here. Once done, we will looking to make an API call. So again, if you know Amazon Bedrock let you work on all the let me zoom in a little. So Bedrock let you work with all kind of LLMs which is available within the Bedrock, and allow you to make an API call itself. So here we are making an API call. We are having this InvokeModel API within the Bedrock, which you can go and learn about all the syntax which is available within the developer guide. But just for your information, I'm just using the InvokeModel. Once done, we will be going and displaying the response. So here we have been in order for me to display the response, I will be loading the response here, and outputting as a text. So that's way this is done. So hope you have learned how you're able to create or how you're able to make an invoke API. I will be pasting this into that comment, so this way it will be easy for you. But the whole idea is you will be providing prompt, you will be creating a body, which is a JSON dump, where you will be providing a bunch of like what will be the prompt, what will be the hyperparameter around this here, and then you will be invoking the model, where you will be providing the body, which is here. This is the body, and then you will be the model, which is your model ID. Here in this case is this one here, and how I'm looking to accept as a JSON, and I'm looking to content type with the JSON too, right? With that, if I go back and let me see, we are having this Bedrock Python API. Let me do that. Bedrock Python API. See what will be the response around it. So it should be invoking, yeah. So Manchester is the largest city in the New Hampshire. The city in the countries. Let me expand this one so this way able to visible. The city in the countries of whatever the county is, and the largest city in the northern New England as well. So that's cool. So this is where you have learned how you can able to invoke the how you can able to invoke the InvokeModel API within the Bedrock. So hope you like it. Please like, subscribe my video. Thank you.